My kids love peanut butter and chocolate, so today I made peanut butter chocolate candy. Crunchy shell with a soft center, they are the perfect snack. Here I use two different types of molds, the bunnies and the mushrooms. Being a medium size, I yield about 35 pieces. Of course, if you use something smaller, you can make even more. If you want to know how I did this recipe, just keep watching. I start by melting 5.3 ounces of milk chocolate in the microwave. It's gonna take about a minute and a half. When the chocolate is nice and fluid, I am going to pour it into the mold. Here I chose the bunnies, and later on you're gonna see even the mushrooms. But you can choose whatever mold you prefer. You can even do like the bears for the gummy bears. I stretch until the mold so I can cover all the surface. I add the peanut butter and I work it into the chocolate so I can make more space for when I'll go to seal with the chocolate on top. Here I'm using about 2 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter. I'm going to seal with the remaining chocolate, and then I will stretch slightly the mold a little bit just to make the candy fit well into the mold. I'm gonna place it in the fridge for about 3 hours. Here I am using a plate so I have the certainty of a flat surface. And after 3 hours I am going to stretch the mold again, so it's gonna be easier for the candy to pop out. And these are my peanut butter chocolate candy bunnies. Now I do the exact same process with the mushroom mold. And these are my peanut butter chocolate candy mushrooms. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.